So, since my last custom RPC tutorial crossed 6,000 views, Discord and Vencord have both gone through multiple updates. And honestly, a lot of things look different now. Because of that, many people are getting confused, thinking features are broken or removed. So in this video, I'm going to walk through custom RPC again from start to finish, explain what changed, and answer the most common questions I keep seeing. First, let's clear up the biggest confusion. If you're looking for a save and close button and you can't find it, that's not a bug. That button does not exist anymore. With the latest Vencord updates, custom RPC settings are auto-saved. The moment you type something, change a button, or switch an application ID, it's already saved. You don't need to click anything, you don't need to restart Discord, and closing the settings pop-up is enough. And yes, the settings UI itself has changed. Instead of the old full settings page, custom RPC now opens in a pop-up style settings box. This is intentional. You edit everything inside that pop-up, close it, and the changes apply instantly. So if you're following older tutorials and things don't look the same, that's why. Now let's actually talk about setting up custom RPC properly. First, make sure you're using a custom RPC plugin that supports what you want to do. Some plugins support buttons, some don't. If your plugin doesn't show button fields at all, then buttons simply aren't supported in that plugin. Once you select your application ID, remember this: Discord Rich Presence only allows one active presence at a time. So even though you select an application, you're not creating multiple profiles. You're just setting which Discord application your current RPC belongs to. This leads to another very common question. Can you create multiple presets for different applications, like one for Spotify, one for a game, one for coding, and switch between them automatically? As of right now, no. Even with all the recent updates, Vencord does not support custom RPC presets per application. You can only have one active configuration. If you want to change it, you have to do it manually. This isn't Discord blocking it, and it's not a bug. Vencord runs only inside Discord. It doesn't detect what apps or games you're launching on your PC, and Rich Presence itself is limited to one session, so automatic switching or saved presets just aren't a thing yet. Now let's talk about buttons, because this is where a lot of people get stuck, especially on PC. If your buttons are not showing, it's usually for one of three reasons. First, both the button label and the button URL must be filled. If either one is empty, Discord hides the button completely. Second, the URL must be a valid link starting with HTTPS. And third, the plugin must actually support buttons in the first place. Now, if your custom RPC doesn't show up at all, especially after a Discord update, most of the time it's not Discord killing the feature. It's usually one of these. Vencord itself isn't updated yet, the application ID is wrong, the assets aren't uploaded correctly, or the plugin temporarily needs an update. Always make sure Vencord is updated after Discord updates. Another question I see a lot is whether custom RPC through Vencord is safe. Yes, it is. It uses Discord's official Rich Presence system. There are no bans for using custom RPC as long as you're not abusing it or automating spammy behavior. So to summarize everything in one place, the Save and Close button is gone because settings now autosave. The settings UI is a pop-up style box. Custom RPC still works perfectly. Buttons require both a label and a valid URL. Images must be uploaded as assets. Image URLs do not work, and presets per application are still not supported. If you came from my original custom RPC tutorial, thank you for pushing that video past 6,000 views. That support is crazy. And if you're new here, that video still covers the basics, while this one explains everything that changed and answers the most common problems people are facing right now. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments. I'm reading them, and if enough new ones come up, I'll make another update. And if Vencord ever adds proper presets or new custom RPC features, I'll be covering that too.